Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo, Aikido of Reno. Humbling lessons. There are many humbling lessons that we do every time as an intentional practice. One is respect. When we bow to each other, we're respecting each other. It's mutual respect. When we bow to each other, it's to protect the other. I do not want to damage them. I also want to protect myself. I don't want to be, of course, harmed or damaged. So we learn how to fall and learn how to move with things. But we want to think about that idea of protection. Next is to understand. When I bow to someone else, I'm respecting them as a fellow human. And part of that is a lot of times conflict happens because we lose respect for the other. Even if you are on the other side of a viewpoint, why not respect them? It's the best thing to do, in my opinion. Be the other. In Aikido and many of the practices we do in the conflict transformation class and some of the other classes that we do at the Peace Dojo, we always reverse roles. So if you're a real simplistic way, if you're the defender and then there's an attacker, you reverse roles. And a lot of it is to understand the other person's plight. Love to see you down here sometime for a class. Humbling lessons. It relates to a lot of things in life. Thank you.